Hello students, welcome to newspaper highlight series of Ajmal IAS Academy. Here we will see some important newspaper article and how to study them from mains and prelims perspective. So let's start the session. Our first topic is related to CAR T-cell therapy. This article is taken from the Hindu. From prelims perspective, focus on the conceptual detail of CAR T-cell therapy, T cells and immunoresponse, antigen heterogeneity, gene modification, role of EZH2 enzymes. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 3 science and tech, and it can be connected to the topics of limitation in solid tumors, Goldilocks challenge in immunotherapy, India's cancer burden. The core idea of this topic is personalized immunotherapy is the future of medicine. Our second topic is related to legal limit on the US war. This article is taken from the Hindu. From prelims perspective, focus on the factual detail of War Power Resolution 1973 and 60 plus 30 day deadline rule. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper to international relation point of view, and it can be connected to the topic of executive outreach, India parallel, US-Iran conflict and India's interest, US foreign policy decision-making, implication for global conflicts. The core concept of this article is democratic check versus strategic flexibility. Third topic is related to Iran war and fossilization of Indian farms. This article is taken from the Indian Express. From prelims perspective, focus on NPK fertilizer basics, green revolution basics, debolocization meaning green revolution varieties. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 3 agriculture point of view, and it can be linked to topic of mechanization versus traditional farming, food security and import dependency, green resolutions, hidden cost, fossil cost, debolocalization and rural employment, natural farming, agroecology, supply shock resilience policy. The core concept of this article is modern agriculture results in high productivity but high external dependency as well. Our final topic is about the Iran war and empires that fought for Strait of Hormuz. This article is taken from the Indian Express. For prelims perspective, focus on the location of Strait of Hormuz, key global choke points, history surrounding the Strait of Hormuz. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 1 history and GS paper 2 international relation, and it can be linked to the topic of colonial trade control models, maritime trade history, strategic importance, India's energy security vulnerability, and link to present conflict. The core concept of this article is geography shapes power politics. That's all for today, and for a detailed analysis of newspaper article, visit the Ajmal IAS Academy website. Thank you. Hello students.